Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 8 big hair trends that you can try in 2023. First up, we have this beautiful blonde pixie style haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. She has so much height and volume at the crown of her hair. And then we see this beautiful bob haircut that features gorgeous bottleneck style bangs. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this gorgeous red hair color transformation complete with this stunning shaggy haircut. And then we move into this shocking hair transformation. So she starts off with long black hair. The stylist has elevated her look with this platinum hair color and this gorgeous asymmetrical pixie cut. Absolutely love this transformation. She looks amazing. Next up, we have a look from 2 of my favorite hairstylists. So they are cutting the hair just a little bit shorter. And they gave the client these beautiful chunky style highlights, a very popular look that has managed to make a comeback. And of course, she was able to get some beautiful curtain style bangs. Next up, we have the money piece highlight trend in the form of this bold purple, as well as the undercolor trend. And then we see a beautiful angled bob haircut transformation. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next, and I will see you over there.